What's the meaning of category? Category. Category.
Category. Category. Category refers to a classification system used to group things based on shared characteristics or qualities. This allows for easier organization, analysis, and understanding of information. Categories can be created for various subjects, such as products, people, or events. Each category will have a distinct set of defining features that help differentiate it from other categories. For example, in a retail store, clothing items may be categorized by style, color, or material. Categorization can also facilitate effective communication and decision-making, as well as the development of predictive models and algorithms.